The magnificent elephant ears. Look how beautiful and tall they are. The elephant ears are just amazing this morning. I put them in a pot and I put about maybe 8 of them in this pot, and I put a little ivory in that as well to make them magnificent the way they are looking. They are beautiful. Elephant ears are one of my favorite plants. They just go all over showing you what they can do. Look at the elephant ears. They are so magnificent. They are fabulous. Look at them. The elephant ears. Look how tall they are. Wow. This is a display of a pot with elephant ears featured in a beautiful pot. Gorgeous, ain't they? They are gorgeous. And look, it's really I love them. They're beautiful.